Good morning, friend. Today we have discussed or performing study and trial of Pelton wheel turbine. So you can see this is Pelton wheel turbine setup, Pelton wheel test rig. Here, this is manometer. This manometer for measure the difference between manometer. From this we have measure flow rate from this manometer. This is mercury in this tube. From this here we have calculate pressure difference and we are calculating flow rate in this pipe. After that, this is centrifugal pump. This is our Pelton wheel runner. This is rope brake dynamometer for measure the power. This is regulating valve. This is inlet pressure measurement pressure gauge. After that, this is nozzle spear assembly. Nozzle spear assembly. From here, we have control the flow rate of the turbine. This is nozzle spear assembly. This is nozzle jet. Here we can see here this is nozzle, and in this nozzle spear assembly, this is for priming to starting the pump. Here number of readings we have taken. First P1 from here, P2 from here. This is P for inlet pressure of the turbine. This is W1 for weight gauging. This is W2 for hanger side weight. And speed of the shaft measured by tachometer. Tachometer connected to here. From the here we have calculated the speed of the shaft. So we are constant the manometric difference 4.3 kg per centimeter square. From this difference we are performing first a Pelton wheel test rig for constant head. So 4.3 we have taken constant head here for variation of the speed. After starting the motor, this pump, we are getting impact of jet acting on these Pelton wheel blades or vanes. Here this vane like that. This runner rotate in anti-clockwise direction on this rotor connected on the same shaft mounted the rope brake diameter. We have measured the power from this rope brake dynamometer. So we have taken first reading in this way, and for second reading we have taking constant head and control the or regulating the flow of the pipe, delivery pipe, for variation of the speed. After that, for second test we have taken constant speed. In this constant speed characteristic we have taken constant head with constant speed. So constant head 4.3 kg centimeter square maintain. Also maintain constant speed and increase the weight of the hanger side weight. For starting we have taken small weight. After that we have taken 2 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg like that, and measure the power. In this way we are performing this Pelton wheel trial. We are already given you and told you observation table and all theoretical procedure how to calculate readings and calculations. So any doubt, any queries in this experiment, please ask me. Okay. We have attached actual. We have attached manometer observation of Pelton wheel turbine with this experiment. So any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Thank you.